restaurant opened in January 2021. Previous owners, they saw the vision and the need in the area. I came into the picture because I was coming here for school, for the military actually, and I dined here twice, and both times I was like, man, that's actually really good food. And I told my wife, I was like, you know what, it'd be funny if we end up buying this restaurant after we're done with our active duty time. And she's like, no way. No way, we would not want to get into that industry. I was like, yeah, I was just, joking. We ended up buying the restaurant, and I was active duty at the time, teaching in the mornings, coming home, changing, coming to the restaurant, learning, growing, understanding the workflow and everything from square one. So steak is one of the American staples, I think, that transcends like multiple cultures. I'm huge in steak myself. Like growing up, I grew up in South Texas, right next to Mexico, and even in Mexico when our whole family would get together and grill and cook. Like we were doing different kinds of steaks down there, different cuts, but it was always protein, it was always beef, and why not? If we're gonna, again, do it, let's do it all the way with a steakhouse.
So the Samoan ribeye is the fan favorite here at Carnivores. We cut down a ribeye loin to 14 ounces. We mix a marinade with onions, a little bit of soy sauce, and we let that ribeye marinate for 48 hours. Let it rest for a little bit, room temperature, and then we'll go on the grill. We'll base it with some tallow and steak seasoning on top. We'll cook it to whatever temperature they like, and then we sell it with a loaded baked potato.
The identity of the restaurant, I think, is based on from scratch, like long processes that produce maximum resultant flavor. Like, packs a big punch of flavor every time, and that consistency is what we strive for every day, whether it's a burger or a fry or a steak.